Hi, hey, hello, and welcome to another episode, the second in the series to be exact, of Doom 2016 Remake, Remastered, whatever you want to call it. I don't care. We are playing some Doom today, and after we beat the grueling experience with the incredibly hard first level, I am going on to the second one, which I recall this as to being much harder because it does introduce the shooty boys, shooty bang bang boys, and I don't like those people. I just need to get closer and focus on them whenever that's okay, like that. Because when you get the thing that I didn't know is that how much more damage it does when you get closer to the things. No. It does so much more damage when you're closer. Okay. I'll take you. Die. Knee to the chin. You like that treatment, don't you? Ammo. I have full ammo. Wow. I hear gunshots. Yeet. Okay. Pow. I just broke your back. Nope. And arm is now broken as well. I figured out that you can do that in the higher game modes as well. Okay, so far this hasn't been that bad. Whoa. Yump. Nope. Die. Just punch you in the face. I can't jump onto those. I can't jump onto that either. Nope. Oh, you died quickly. I don't like the explodey barrels because they always get me killed. Where are you? Whoop, nope. Okay. Whoa, I did not see you. Ow. That sharpshooter right there. Get this health up here. Up, ow. Die. Punched right in the face. Okay, checkpoint reached. That was not that bad. Die. Pow. Okay. I'm just gonna take this real quick. Now, progression. Blue access keycard, if I do remember. You're right there. Thank you for the keycard. My man. It's mine now, sir. I always think whenever you crouch down to take someone's thing, like that they're gonna wake up, and I always think that that's gonna happen. And sometimes it does, and it scares you half to death even though you think it's gonna happen. Let me through, please. Thank you. I have a grenade. I never use a grenade in late game anyway, though. I need where can I upgrade to get the explodey shotgun thing? Pow. Back of your head's hungry for the ground. There's wires everywhere. What are they doing with this? This is like an oil rig, right? Why do they need oil whenever they have literal energy coming from hell? There's imps over here. Don't hit the barrels. Ow! You hit me, and I shot your top half of your body off. I love this game so much. It's absolutely amazing. I'm bad at aiming. Pow. Ow! I was gonna dodge that, but it did not work at all. Is there like a secret over here or something? No, but it's just a cliff. Take this. Now I go over here. There we go. I'm so stupid. Yay! I need to get my big explosive boy. The charge blasting is kind of stupid. I don't like it. Pow. It's so good and so useful. Nope. I just broke your head and ankles. Boom. Let me go. Bow. Boom. Now that I have experience, these guys aren't as hard to kill. Because, like, they used to, they would be, like, so difficult. They still are kind of annoying. I'm impressed with how good I'm doing this. Boom. kick. I just Sparted him. This is Sparted that man. Did you just, like, shoot that fireball through your legs? We're not playing NBA basketball, okay? Okay. No. Okay, you're dead. What? Oh, whoa, whoa, bad. I'll take your life and your health. Take this. Pow. Pow. Now. Ow! Oh, come on! I thought they were all exploded and I was gonna go get the health. Dang it. Ah! Don't move. I don't have any... Oh crap, I don't have any... I don't have any ammo. Whoa. I don't have any ammo. Thank you. Okay. We're back to where we were. I need health. I need to get the rune that lets me get more health. Here. Okay. I am on a train track and fighting. It's demons on a train. The second movie that no one saw. Okay, now we're inside of the facility again with mine carts. Thank you. I don't think this one counts as an accident-free day. And 121 isn't that bad. I gonna exit. There's that. Unavailable? What do you mean? It's because I was so good. That was the first thing. Okay, then done and dusted. Now, I will finish the second one today. On this recording, you will see the second part of this completed. Know your enemy. Or I can just shoot everyone and then win that way. Transfer complete. Oh! Hi, Vega! I like this. I like a Vega. Wonderful. Amazing. Check in tab. Now I have this. Yep, DD. I never use the map anyway, so I am fine. Open it up! There we go. This level gave me some trouble. It only gave me trouble because I didn't know where to go, because I got confused. Nope. Nope. And your head's now off. Okay. Low power? Okay. How do I turn back on the power? I don't want to go down there. It's very loud. Very loud demon noises. That's where I came from. Actually, do I want to go down there? Yes, I do. No, I don't, apparently. How do I get down? Oh no, it's happening again. I'm confused. Oh gosh, I'm so confused. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Oh my gosh. I thought that was one that was locked. I'm so stupid. Weapon upgrade points. Pow. Yeet. Pow. Okay, this thing on the screen is annoying me. Weapons. Speed recovery. There we go. That will help me much. Thank you for this. No, I don't like you. Power terminal. Rerouting power. The main power is online. How wonderful. Use a crazy cat lady. Idiot. Yeah, someone make a hell portal that brings all the demons on Mars, so hundreds will be massacred. Wonderful plan. Just amazing. No flaws at all. Despite the fact that you're literally summoning demons from the underworld. Despite that, everything's okay. I'm gonna go up here. You come up here. No, there we go. Oh, shut up. No one cares. Thank you. I could go through here as well. Pa. Nope. Aye, go away. Ow. Pow. Yeah? How is it? Ow. No. Okay, of course, I killed myself again. Okay, we're doing this again. Die. Die. Oh no, that was so close. Oh, that was close. That was so close. Explosions here and there and everywhere. Ha ha ha. Imp is clawing out my eyeballs. Disengaged, is it? Ah ha, that was a very scary noise. Up here is where I get... Yay! Chainsaw! Yes! Yeah, chainsaw, got it. Thank you for this. Yeah, I'll use this. I only have 20-something health gone, but that's fine, that's fine. Now, this part I had trouble on. Let's see. Okay, I just absolutely murdered your head. Ah, pow! Okay, this is scary. I'll kill you first. Haha. Boom. Boom! Murder. Pow! The gore in this game is so well sloshy, as you just witnessed. Oh no! And it like splatters everywhere. The graphics in this game are absolutely amazing. I don't know if you can see how well they are because of like the video recording and stuff and all the processes of which it goes through to get to your screen. But for me it looks really good. Hopefully it does look good for you. Over here. Okay, again, I'm surprised I did that first try. You're going in there. I can't go in there. I need to go over here. I don't know how to get up there, though. I remembered I was stuck on this because I couldn't figure... Found it! I couldn't figure out how to get up here. And I didn't even know I had needed to go up here. Up here, and drop. Pow. Pow. Hey, pow. Here's a get. Oh, I didn't know you weren't dead. Again, here, another one of these nests. I'll just kill a lot of you first. And boom. Time for good music. Whoa. Okay, I thought I just got murdered. Shoot, shoot, ow. Pow. Oh, you're not dead yet. Well, too bad, now you are. Ah, no. Oh, crap. Gee. Just literally in half. Bah! You tried to block me, but then you died. Oh, I didn't even mean to do that, but I guess you're dying too. Because I got to... Oh, give me your jaw. Collecting my spoils. And now you're dead. So I'm chasing down a ghost demon. I know it's not a ghost, but like, now that I mentioned it, like, that's... How does that work? A ghost demon. How would that work? Can I go over there? Hey, buddy! Mr. Hologram. Walking ever slowly, don't you? There you are. I'll take you. I don't want that. But I literally have to, so... When do I get the, when do I get a machine gun? I'll take this. And alive. Oh, God. It still scared me. Because, like, I thought it would have happened earlier, but then it didn't. And then it did happen. Pow. Dang it, I don't want to do that. It sucks. Pow. Ah, no. Ow. Ow. No, no. If I die. Oh, my gosh. Whoa! Okay, that scared me as well. I forgot that happened. Yellow keycard. Thank you. Thank you. Here he is. Thank you. He doesn't come alive anymore. He doesn't come alive either. Now this is nice. Oh yeah, forgot. Open airlock. There we go. Now E. Also, I like how this happens. I love how that happens. Like, cause like the outside is like a lot less pressure. Okay, I don't know what just happened there, but okay. Pow! I just lagged like crazy. And he hit the explodey barrel. Yeah, because of the, since outside is like a vacuum, and it's such different, like pressures and stuff. I like how that happens, because like it's an airlock. Pow. And like all this stuff like gets sucked out. I think that's really cool. I would really enjoy having a oh yeah, this is the first time we get the berserker. Let me up. I'll murder you. Watch me. Watch me. Bow. Get wrecked. I didn't even know that. I don't think I've ever seen that one. That death animal. Oh, this is amazing. I love this. Bow. Just obliteration. Take out your heart and give me hearts. Come here, come here, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. You get wrecked. Come here, come here, come here. Dang it, die. Pow. Oh, I hate these guys so much. Of course, he shield bashed me. Oh my gosh, those are literally the worst guys out of any video. They're the most annoying out of any video game that I've ever played. They're so annoying and I hate them so much. I might be telling myself a lie by saying that they're the most annoying, but at the point of me remembering it, they are. I just ripped your head apart. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. I'll kill you as well while I'm at it. I'll take all this stuff and I will proceed. Come here. Boom! Thank you for your heart. And I just blew myself up again. No. Oh no. It's always me who kills me. It's always myself who kills myself. Thank you. Dang it! Oh my gosh, it was a stupid shotgun. Oh yeah, I have a chainsaw. I'm gonna shred him to pieces. Don't shoot the explodey barrel-y thingies. Waste of ammo. And he shot the explodey barrel-y thingy. Okay, let's see all these demons being torn, literally torn to shreds, as I say. Where are ya? Bow! 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 That was cool. Okay, is that the end music? Oh, no, it's not. Where are ya? Bow! I forgot to explodey. There we go. There you are, being exploded. Bow! There's another one, and squish! Anybody else who wants to fight me real quick? No? Yes? Show yourself. Okay, then. Or don't. Call the elevator. Come on. There we are. Elevators are always so slow. I got the assault rifle with not much ammo in it all. Oh, I don't have my thing's out of ammo. Oh. And we're at our destination. Hey, you're in my way, dude. They're my way, guy. Oh, well, thanks for the handprint, I guess. And there's somebody's laughing at me, and I don't know who it is. Thanks. Can I go up here? No, I can't. I don't think so. I think I need to open it from the outside if I want to go back out. Or just not at all. And in. Where's the elevator music? Why can't I have elevator music? Alright then. Okay, I almost did the exact same thing that I did last time. Nope. I don't like you, so I'm gonna throw this in there. And then spam you. Okay, that's the only way I know how to kill them. Open airlock. Now, let's go hack some things. Okay, that wasn't very much hacking. It was more like, beep. And that was more like, oh, that was cool. Get close. Oh, bow. I don't like you. How am I supposed to kill you? Come on. Come on. Got him. Get wrecked. Normally I would have died there. Is there anything in here? Die. And boom. Oh yeah, one of these guys. I'll take this. Thank you. Oh, that was my first one. Hazard protection. Oh, I want self-burial immunity. Oh, that would have been awesome. I will get power efficiency. Alright. X tab. There we go. Thank you for that. Oh yeah, ammo. I will thank you for that as well. But ow, hit my head. Now may we proceed. Explodey! Zombie arm. Aww. Okay, that worked as well. Explosives are the key to most things. I don't like you. What's happening? That works better on single targets that are one behind the— Ow! I didn't see you, and you scared me. Okay, that's me. That was terrifying. The running of, like, feet, that was terrifying. Hello. And I like, always, like, go all the way up, and, like, I'm behind this. Thank you. I assure you that I can. I always go behind it, and then, like, I need to, like, jump over it, or, like, jump around it to get out. Power! I need arm ammo. Lagness. Okay. Alright. Hi, bro. You're tall, dude. You're like 6'4"? More like 7'6" or something. Or either I'm really— How tall is Doom Guy? Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Hell wave, yeah. 64%, yeah. Uh-huh. Wonderful. You should. Where does your voice come from? Yeah? Uh-huh. That's not good. Oh no. Can I shoot you? Because I don't trust you. Okay. But I also really do trust him because his voice is like absolutely amazing. And he's just cool overall. Okay. And exit facility. Now people, that will be all for today. And if you liked it and you want a part 3, then you better tell me. And let me know. And then I will make a part 3. Thank you. And now leave me alone.